So next day. Today I will start to build some drawers to the table. And that's also my first time to do something like that. I will also do it with the same 18mm thick OSB. So those will be quite strong, I think. This table will be so heavy. And speaking of that, I will also put some wheels to this table, so it's a little bit easier to move. Wheels are totally optional, but it makes someone's life much easier. So it's a little bit cold outside. I have to cut these pieces to these drawers, and there's coming two. But I have some professional stuff which will help to build those. These are for the corners that I can get it to 90 degrees. And also I was thinking I'm not going to use any screws. I will use those wooden plugs and glue. Okay, I'm ready, let's start. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Part 4 of my media console build. I'm quite surprised how long video series this will be. Simple build, but so many steps. This part of the video actually shows how long it took just to cut few simple OSB pieces. Mainly because I had to first take all of my stuff outside. I would be happy to have a real workshop with table saws and stuff like that. That would speed up my workflow so much. This whole part took me about 30 minutes in real life. I am actually building a small workshop, as you can also see in these videos. Unfortunately, there won't be enough space for table saw. This room is so small. And workshop build videos is also coming soon. Okay, let's move on. Enjoy the video.